Distribution deals about maintaining the ownership of your master recording files or the finished song after you finish recording it, right? Anytime that you record a song, you're creating two rights. Your master recording file, or your masters, and the publishing, which is the underlying blueprint to creating that masters. So when you do a distribution deal, you take financial ownership of not only creating your own product, but advertising and promoting your own product. What the label does, it leverages its relationships with iTunes, Google Music, Apple Music, Spotify to put your music on there at a certain rate. So essentially what you're doing with your masters is you're giving them a license to be able to go and expose your music at a certain rate. These platforms like Spotify, Apple Music, and Google Music have to get a cut. The label also gets a cut, but they don't own the master files. They're only making a percentage like a broker. Another thing to note is when you upload your music to platforms like CD Baby, DistroKid, and TuneCore, is essentially that is a distribution deal as well, because they are going to expose your music to the same platforms that the labels are doing and take a fee. But it's all about relationships. All in all, when you do a distribution deal, you have to understand that I am responsible for my property. I'm responsible for the advertisement of my property, the promotion of my property, and the creation of the property. Because in a traditional record deal, the label is paying for the creation of that master file. That's why they want to own it. So when you take that responsibility upon yourself, you will make a lot more money, but it's a lot harder to do because you have to take full financial responsibility. Very expensive. I hope you found this content helpful. Give it a like, give it a thumbs up, give it a comment if you enjoyed it. I'll be giving you guys more. Bye.